Next, in the SEO contract, we are under 10, SEO training. Here, if you will be offering training, there's a blue highlighted area where you can put the amount you will charge for that. Under that, you have payment terms. This is how much you will collect from the client and at what times. Go ahead and enter what you need for your specific deal you have with your client. Then there are 2 yellow highlighted areas for you to enter your company name. In the next paragraph, you will need to enter your company name twice more and then enter in some figures into some blue highlighted areas for money and for the number of months. Under 6, project timeline, you will go ahead and enter the months it will take you and what you expect the time to take for each project. Finally, on this page, under number 7, there's another yellow highlighted space for you to enter your company name. The next page of the SEO contract has a blue highlighted space towards the very top. This is where you can enter a figure if you're going to provide some written content that the website may need. Remember, as you went through the business plan and the pitch deck, you are under the understanding that you're going to utilize or possibly utilize some outsourced freelancers to provide a bundle of services to this client. So even though you may not technically write an article on your own, you can go ahead and outsource that and charge the client for it. If that's what you're going to do, this is where you'd want to enter a figure there. Next, there's a non-disclosure agreement with several spaces highlighted in yellow where you will need to insert your name. A disclaimer that has several yellow highlighted areas where you will need to insert your company name. The next page of the SEO agreement does not have any blue highlighted areas, but numerous yellow highlighted areas that require you to type in the name of your company. Lastly, in the SEO contract, come to the page where you will need to enter your company name in the yellow space on the very top, and then in that little blue space, the amount per hour you will charge for any overwriting that the client may want. Under that, 2 more yellow spaces to enter your company name. Then, under section 11, governing law and jurisdiction, there are 2 blue highlighted areas where you will enter the jurisdiction of the laws that you want to use. Then several other areas and yellow highlighted spaces for you to enter your company name. Finally, all the way towards the end, you'll go ahead and type in your client's name, address, phone number, email, and get them to sign.